welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Mallory, and in today's video we will be reviewing part 2 of the Fortnite Makeup Revolution collaboration. In the last review we reviewed this pink one, the I want to say Team Cuddle Team something, I don't know. And in today's video we will be reviewing the second one. So we're gonna go into the Supply Llama Shadow Palette. If you did not see that last video, I will link it in the card somewhere up there. But yeah, let's get right into this palette. First of all, let's look at this color story. How gorgeous. I'm concerned that the green screen might try to change the shade right here into something else, just because it's a little bit green. It's more blue than anything, but it's a little bit green, so it might look a little bit different on your screen. But I will insert, if it does, I'll insert a picture of what the color story actually looks like here, so you can get a good idea. I keep telling myself I'm gonna stop using the green screen as much, especially with shadow palettes like this, so that we do not have this issue, but here we are. Okay, so looks like the only shades that are mattes are Royale, Drop In, and The Storm. So I think we can probably actually use all three of them. So we're gonna go in with all three and then use these shimmers as some sort of a lid shade. Some of them are more shimmery than the others, but still I just don't want to chance it because we liked the last one, so I don't want to mess this one up with a bad choice of mine. So first we're gonna go into a Luxie, we're gonna go in with a Luxie 237 blending brush, and we are gonna start with the shade Drop In. So I'm gonna start in the crease. Shades like this, I love this kind of color, but sometimes they look patchy and ashy, so let's just see how this turns out. So far so good. That is actually looking a lot better than I was expecting. We're gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. Very minimal fallout. I mean, so far so good. Makeup Revolution must have changed their formula since whenever I hated them, because this is totally new. Looks crazy on camera, but here in my little mirror it looks pretty good, so we'll just have to see how it turns out. Okay, so next we're just gonna take, I'm not really sure what this brush is, but it's not dirty, I swear. I just cleaned these just stay in this color. I'm not really sure what type of brush this is. Something Paris, it's a smudge something, I don't know, but it's like a little blender. We're gonna go in with the shade The Storm. I'm gonna bring that right here. Now this is where I start to get concerned with some of these shades, like these lighter shades, because it seems like every time you go to blend, that's when it starts to get weird. But again, so far so good. These shades, they're actually blending together pretty well. I am just gonna go back into the brush that we used, the Luxie brush, to go back and blend there, so I can get a seamless blend. But it's definitely giving like cotton candy, festival. It's definitely giving. Love it. It's going great. So now we are going to go in. This is one of the Sugar Rush pencil collection brushes. This one says Stay Sharp. It's a small blender because we are going to use the shade right here, Royale. I'm going to bring that right here at the bottom, because obviously we're getting into a cut crease. I'm going to start blending it real low here at the bottom, and then bring it out on the outer corner. You guys, I'm going on a trip tomorrow. I'm going out to Key West, and Key West, Florida. I've never been. I'm super excited, and I literally have so much to do. So much to do beforehand. Literally. I was supposed to do this. Ooh. I was supposed to do this like 2 days ago, film these videos. Well, not even, more than that. I was supposed to film these videos a long time ago. And I don't know what's been into me lately, but I just cannot. I'm not gonna say I don't have time. I'm just not making time for the things that I know I need to do. And I don't know why I keep doing that. Just such a sleepy girl. Okay, so I am kind of not a fan of Royale and how it's blending out, but you know, let's just keep moving and we're gonna give it the benefit of the doubt that in the end the look will all come together. Okay, so now that we have this look done, and it doesn't look great on camera, but like in my mirror, like in my face, it looks okay, it looks decent, but when I look at it in the camera, I'm like, oh no ma'am, no ma'am. So let's go ahead and cut the crease. I'm going to do that off camera real quick, and then we'll come back and see if it's looking any better. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, crease is cut, let's go ahead and figure out what we're gonna do with the lid shades. I kind of want to use more than one, but these shades, what I'm noticing is that they're kind of loud. Like, the look is very loud, so I'm not actually sure what I want to do here. I think we'll probably just use a Rift right here. This one is like a purplish type of color. Let's go with that one first. That shade is definitely giving us something we can feel. It's giving us what we deserve. It's giving us life. It's giving big energy. But you're like, when is she gonna stop? I think we're gonna use Gear Up right here. I'm not sure why it's looking so green, so blue on camera, because it's really purple here. It's like a purplish blue. I don't know. It might be a situation where it's like, what color is the dress? Because now it's looking really blue. Like, what? Like, am I okay? What's going on right now? That shade, okay. First of all, there must be something going on with me because, like, whenever I look at it directly here, it looks purple to me, but then I lift it up here into the light and now it looks blue, and it even looks blue on my lid, which is weird. It's just weird, but nevertheless, both shades are looking bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner and lashes, and I will give you guys my final thought on the Supply Llama palette. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look with liner and lashes. She's cute. This is a look, this is cute. So I was kind of concerned that it wasn't gonna come all together in the end, but I do think that it looks pretty cute. Now, is it something I would probably wear out? I don't know. Maybe for like a music festival or something. I feel like it's too busy for like an everyday look, but it's very, very cute. Love it. So, okay, Makeup Revolution did it again. Part two worked out. I'm so glad because y'all know how I feel about it, but I'm very pleased so far with the Makeup Revolution Fortnite collection. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like this video, and stay tuned for part 3, the final part of this Fortnite collection. And yeah, you guys will see my face in the next one.